Our source confirms she hasn't said a word since her arrest yesterday. But Captain West won't stop making noise. He is
Selamat datang kembali di channel Real Idea TV. Cara memutar film dan subtitle di Android. Cara pertama, buka Play Store. Kemudian ketik MX Player. Install seperti biasa. Karena saya sudah install, jadi akan saya skip. Matikan data seluler agar iklan tidak tampil saat memutar film. Selanjutnya, buka MX Player. Sebagai contoh, film yang akan saya putar adalah The Flash.
Sunshine keeping quiet? Our source confirms she hasn't said a word since her arrest yesterday. But Captain West won't stop making noise. He is obsessed with connecting you to Sunshine, Ultraviolet.
Untuk membuka subtitle, klik titik 3 di pojok kanan, pilih subtitle, pilih buka, dan cari subtitle yang ingin ditampilkan. Klik play kembali, otomatis subtitle akan aktif.
Sunshine keeping quiet? Our source confirms she hasn't said a word since her arrest yesterday. But Captain West won't stop making noise. He is obsessed with connecting you to Sunshine, Ultraviolet, and Dr. Light. That won't matter much longer.
Itulah cara menampilkan subtitle di MX Player. Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa subscribe.